The story you're about to see is true. The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
Hi, excuse me. My yard is filled with weeds and some strange grasses, and I really need some pesticides. I mean, come on. Come on. Does that look safe? Does this look safe, this dandelion? Is this dandelion safe? No, it's not safe. This is not safe. We are not in a safe environment. Too many weeds and too much grass. And I don't want to mow it. I want pesticides to kill it. And according to whoever and whatever and, you know, the thing, should be able to come here and pesticide my grass, okay? I don't want weeds. Do I look like I want weeds? Do I seem like I need weeds all over my lawn? Look at this weed. Is that safe? Is that a safe weed for children and community members who want to come in my backyard? Is this a safe weed? I don't think it's a safe weed, okay? This is the worst weed of all. This weed here is the Ficus leavis trius. I need pesticides to get rid of it. But are we allowed to have pesticides in South Portland? No, we're not. We're not allowed to have pesticides in South Portland. But guess what? Peers, if you give a 5-day notice, they can do them at the school where the kids like to play, but a 5-day notice, okay? But we can't have them. Look at this in my grass. Look at this. This is like the Blair Witch Project, but it's the dark weeds of South Portland. The tall grass. I don't know what to do. I'm so afraid. At least I'm not naked and afraid. I'm fully clothed. But I'm so afraid. There's so many weeds out here. If only I was a school full of children where it would be safe, then I would have a 5-day notice. The morning before, my life would be different. Everyone's life would be different. It's wild. I'm so scared. Do you hear that lion? Do you hear the lion? Do you hear the lion? Look at the lion. There's a wild lion. There's a wild lion. If only the facilities of South Portland would come to my yard and put the same pesticides that are safe and effective for the school, where all the kids go and all the community members. Because nobody can find me. I'm gonna be forgotten. I don't know what to do.
We're here in the mighty jungle of South Portland, Maine. Okay? There's very dangerous weeds, like dandelions. And this is unsafe for children. Unsafe. See? May not even be a real one. Unsafe. Unsafe. Oh!
We've got a wild animal in the back. Can you help us, ma'am? Pardon me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hello? 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 Are you angry about the weeds? Oh, very, very angry. Excuse me, citizen. What do you believe about the weeds? I put a 5-day notice. I can get my weeds done tomorrow. with pesticides in the deep jungles of Southport, Maine. Excuse me, Delilah. The weeds are taller than you. Delilah. Look at these weeds. They're so tall right now. You can hardly function. This cat is gonna get lost amongst the weeds. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but if I had correct pesticides... Rest in peace. Rest in peace. It's bacterial. The size of this, it's almost as big as my hand. We can hardly even... Help. Help. The weeds are taller than I am. Help. Where's the South Portland School Facilities Department? No one's gonna find me in the weeds. Look how tall they are. There are so many. There's so many weeds. If anybody gets this video, please let South Portland Facilities know that there is somebody in their backyard stuck in the weeds. Help. Wild animals. Oh my God. Help, I'm in the weeds. Help. I need help. They are so tall. I'm stuck in the weeds. They are so tall right now. Completely over my head. They're completely over my head. I'm so overwhelmed with weeds. Let me get the pesticides. Oh, wait, we can't have pesticides. There is a wild jungle cat. I have found a wild lynx. Wild lynx in South Portland because there's so many weeds. This wild lynx thinks he's in a jungle. Will anybody save me? He's eating me. He's attacking me because he thinks he's in a jungle in his native lands. And South Portland won't let me have pesticides. Look, he's attacking me. I'm being attacked right now. There's 4 wild animals in the jungle. No. There's so many weeds, we can hardly see him. He's camouflaged. He's attacking. Hey, help. Ah! It's so overwhelming. The jungle of South Portland, Maine. But I can't have pesticides. There's fox. Rest in peace. No one could find you. Nobody could find it. Oh my God. There's more casualties of the weeds. Rest in peace. Look at all the danger. There's danger in the jungles of South Portland. I'm calling the facilities. There's wild animals. jungle cat is stalking me. If only there were no weeds, I could have found him. He wouldn't potentially hurt me. There's another one. They're coming for me. It's stealthy. It has tricks. Oh, it has plans. If I was part of the school, my yard could exist. I am so sorry. I swear, Mom. Sorry. Sorry, there are so many weeds. I'm so sorry. Look how dangerous she is. She's dangerous. Dangerous. Very dangerous. I am so stuck in the weeds. If only there was a safe and effective chemical. Do you hear all these wild? There's wild animals. I wonder if I gave a 5-day notice today to get it done tomorrow. That would be following the law. All these dangerous weeds. Danger. There's dangerous weeds everywhere. Look at the dangerous weeds. An abandoned home. There's an abandoned building. If Portland will let me unweed my yard. Almost as many children as a school does, and there are wild animals in my yard. This could be my last message. This might be my last message. There's so many weeds, I'm gonna be lost. If only I was a school. If only I was a real school. Town would let me kill my yard. It's okay. Lassie, it's okay, Lassie. Someone will find us, Lassie. Lassie, someone will find us. Lassie. Lassie, get over here. We don't allow weeds in this town. There's no pesticides allowed in this town. Unless you're a school with a 5-day notice. Post it the day prior to spraying. Because that's a 1-day notice. But the law said 5. Maybe I just don't count right. Must not know how to count. Who do I call? Where do I go from here? Like and subscribe with a message about where I go from here. Just kidding, because I'm not going to make it out of the weeds. There's a hawk watching me. He's watching my yard. I can't get rid of him because I'm stuck in the weeds, honey. Not in the weeds, honey. Don't poop in the weeds. Yes, baby, go right in the bathroom. I'll be right there. Or do you want to go upstairs?
I'll get it.
Nobody can find me.
Hi. Hi, Mom. What are you doing?
You can't see me because we have so many weeds in this yard. And we're not allowed to take care of them because we're not a school.
What are you doing?
We're crying, getting lost in the jungle.
You're not actually crying.
No, those are wild animals.
What?
That's a jungle cat and a hawk.
What's that?
What do we do? Only schools can spray deadly pesticides.
We're out of the house.
We can't. I can't care for our yard. I can't even help you. I'm sorry. I can't get rid of these dangerous weeds. There's very dangerous weeds in this
How is
yard.
it dangerous?
Very dangerous. They are. That's what it is. It's so dangerous for the community.
Mom, they're fighting.
I am fighting.
You're fighting the weed.
I am, honey, for you.
Me?
You're
No.
trying to fight him for you. Fighting for a better future
Better future.
for you.